Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlazia. Guys, let's just continue unpacking on the proceedings at the High Court in Pretoria on the Senzo Meyiwa trial. Shem, after ke umuzi kakhulelwa Sibiya ekhalile ke after I think at the end of the day he was just maybe missing his parents, Shem, yo, and then how they cried when they saw him with the bruises on his body after he was beaten up by the police. Say futhi abona umugano nomugula. They will never see heaven, those people. Abantu abanjani laba noGininda. So umnisi ke continued to ask him questions about the photos lezi ezikaZungu ke mkhumbula uConstable Zungu kulo ngekho right. Always say ukuthi the five accused, they are where they are because of that guy and his lies and the beef that he has with them from emakhaya where they from Ngonongoma nakoMahlabathini. So uZungu ke those photos zakhe that are cooked and manufactured, umnisi uyambuza uthi, do you see yourself in these pictures now? Uthi no, I can't. Obviously, I mean, guys, there's nothing that you're gonna see there. There is no face of yours there. And then that whole thing futhi yokuthi as he is talking about those pictures, ethi akaziboni yena there on those pictures. Abesethi uRatha, which pictures are those? Angithi uRatha ufuna ukuthi athi uSibiya, I can see myself on those pictures. To umnisi, there are the pictures, angithi my lord. Because Ratha is so used to gaslighting defense, is like, by the way, wait, which part is those photos? I'm just like, this guy, uRatha, guys. Developer Brown, uthola weekly ke futhi yena, because I'm sure he's pricey. That is why he came back waba judge at 79. Because I don't know ukuthi a retired judge lenzani laphana. Khona retired guys mhlambe 60 is understandable, or 65, 79 guys. That's crazy. And then you remember ukuthi ke uZungu ke came up with that whole story that they made up noGininda ukuthi he was with these 5 guys at Basotho Hostel, because angithi Basotho Hostel ufanele be next to Arcade. When these guys said bona they left town, went to Katlehong, which is a bit far, not that far as such, but a bit far from Efosoras, from Kelly's house, maybe, let me put it that way. How uZungu ke uthi no, I was with them maybe Basotho Hostel saphuzwa kumnandi in these guys at some stage they disappeared around 7 phela labo after 7 to 8 o'clock, around the time when Senzo was actually unalived. Angithi fanele kuhambe la nto engiyeko. Guys, you know what, these guys did not delete Senzo bakwethu. I don't even know ukuthi we're gonna do this until when, ngoba phela uSenzo on the 26th, it's gonna be 11th year since his passing. Umnisi ambuze again, were you at Basotho Hostel? No, I wasn't. Angikwazi ngithi njani Basotho Hostel. I've never been actually at Basotho Hostel. So tomorrow they're going to continue, because I like umuzi because uyayikhulumela just as much as there's where he was struggling, you know, with the crying as well, and with the whole thing yokuthi also he's a bit tired. He's just like, I'm exhausted now. At 2:30, guys, he was just like, I'm exhausted. When we continue tomorrow, so tomorrow they're still gonna cross-examine him again. Ngapha uRamasipili uthe nabo bane-meeting yabo, izinto zabo. Istate ke sona sithe sizoqhubeka kusasa. They cannot push him. I mean, he is tired, like he's saying, umuzi Sibiya. And then Ramasipili, they were actually going to the registrar nabo to organize their situations around their witnesses. You know, I guess yonke le nto ukuthi where are they gonna stay, are they protected? Yabona nje guys, oh, show me South Africa, I tell you, yabona this case has been the worst, I guess. Nobonile ukuthi nje no one is saying ukuthi how can we be helped, so that these lies that are going on the court must stop. I just wanted to add ukuthi also nale nto ye-cellphone kaKelly na that whole thing ukuthi ufisa ukudla accused number 5 uyena wayeba-organizile. He was going to pay them untanzi, they were going to get money because he was the one who was speaking to Kelly. Okay nje leyo nto, you know. And then accused number 1 is just like, you know what, angazani mina nokufa kwaSenzo Meyiwa, and that whole thing ukuthi mina I made a statement around ukuthi when we were at the hostel mina ngathi eneyo Senzo Meyiwa just passed on. Ngikwaze lapho mina lokho, and no one knew at the time futhi ukuthi uSenzo Meyiwa has passed on. How would I know this? uZungu guys, yabona uSizwe Zungu uConstable, I tell you, nobabakho wamgezela izandla uAbsalom wathi lo mntanami mina, if it does happen that I'm unalived or something happens to me, ubuze yena noGininda. Ngizoma lapho kancane kusasa guys, soqhubeka tomorrow. Thank you so much. Nginithanda over for always supporting this channel. Ni like guys, don't skip the ads, niwabuke nama ads guys. I appreciate you so much. Thank you.